cursive lowercase r. Begin at your baseline in your lined paper. You're going to do an undercurve, stopping at that halfway point, that imaginary halfway point in your lined paper. Slight slant right, slant undercurve. Again, undercurve, stopping at that imaginary halfway point, slant right, slant undercurve. And again, you'll notice that this slant down and to the right is not very dramatic. It's just a slight slant. Here's some words that you can practice. Hour, O, go directly into that U, R. Floor, the F goes halfway into the line below it, L, O, lead directly into that next O. Now, the check stroke from the O goes straight into the R. I did not come back down. Right, W, check stroke right into that R, I, T, E. Lift up your pencil, cross your T, dot your I. Rack, R, A, C, K. And one more word that you can practice, broom. B, make your check stroke go into the remaining part of your undercurve for your R, slant, slant down, go right into your O. 3 humps with the M. But you'll notice with the M, I didn't come back down either. I'm going to do broom one more time because there are lots of transitions here. You want to be careful here from the B to the R, as well as the O to the M right there. Those are two very tricky parts. Okay, so watch one more time as I do broom. B, R, O, O, M.